Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing a demo and unboxing of the Luvo ring light. Not that I can fit this on the screen. Yay! So I'm going to unbox it for you and put it together and we'll test it out and hopefully it's amazing. Fingers crossed. I can't wait to try it out. So let's just jump right into the video. So the website actually has a few ring lights that you can purchase. I ended up going with the 18-inch GlowPRO Gold edition. So it comes with the ring lights, 18-inch, comes with a ring light stand and a few other accessories which will help mount your camera. And guys, I'm so excited. It's like fully gold as well, so I'm like low-key like dying right now. So it retailed for about $340-ish. I did also use a coupon code as well, which got me 5% off. So if I can find the coupon code, I'll leave it linked down below so you guys can use it if you're going to purchase it. I'm not sure if it's still going to be valid though, but I'll put it down there anyway for you. So it came in this huge ass box here. So I'm just going to put it down there. I was so impressed with the shipping. I qualified for express shipping and it arrived 2 days after I purchased it. So I was so excited. So I really wanted to have something to open for Christmas. So I was so happy that it arrived. So I'm just going to pull it all out and show you the pieces. And I'm going to set it up and show you what it kind of looks like all set up. And then we'll test it out. I can't wait. So when you first pull it out of the box, it comes in this big bag. Woo! Which has the ring light inside it, and then at the bottom of the box also comes the stand as well. So I'm just going to unpack the stand first so I can actually sit it on top of something. It's just a regular light stand, and I'm going to open it up. And then I'm just going to tighten it up. So this is what the top looks like. So this is normally where your ring light will sit on top and it's adjustable as well. So I'm just going to pop it down here and let's pull the ring out itself. The bag feels like a really good quality. It's actually quite sturdy. But here's the ring light. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. So when I pull the ring out, this is kind of what it looks like, just so I can fit everything in the frame. And the gold edition is gold because it has the gold on the back of it. You can also buy it in like just the normal black edition, but it didn't cost any more money to get it in the gold. So I was like, damn, I'm going to get the gold for sure. So I'm just going to mount this onto the stand, which I've got just seated right in front of me. So firstly, you just need to unlock this little bit here, which will pull this little toggle bit down. And then just tighten it up again so it doesn't go anywhere. And then this little bit here is what will go on top of that kind of stand area as well. So I'm just going to pop that on top now. I'm going to leave this at the kind of lowest height because I don't really need it to go up any higher than what it kind of sitting at. It's kind of sitting like right in front of me here. So I'm just going to tighten up all of these other stand toggles here so it doesn't go anywhere. So just inside the box as well, it's got instructions, but I'm not even going to worry about the instructions. And then we've got the power cables and then all of the little kind of mountable bits and bobs in here. So I'm just going to put all that together and then we'll mount the camera. I actually thought that I would probably just show you what it's looking like from like where I can see it. So this is what the ring light's looking like at the moment. This is the stand, the tripod that I normally film with, but this is what the kind of ring light is looking like at the moment. So I'm going to get rid of this guy because we don't need him anymore. I'm going to sit the stand up right here. So this will probably be like what I'm going to see from now on. So firstly we have this little mount here which we're going to screw in here. I'm going to change hands because I am not a lefty. So I'm just going to screw this guy in here. This is going to be what our camera is going to mount to. So make sure that's really tight. And then I guess we'll tighten that bit up, but I might want to put the camera bits on it first. Then we have this little guy here. So this is what everything looks like once you've kind of got the ball set up. So I've just decided to have this towards the side. You probably should do it towards the back, but I like to have it to the side so if I need to adjust anything, I don't have to like be reaching around. Same with the top bit here. So this little screw here adjusts the kind of pivot of where the camera mount is, if that makes sense. So I've just got it on the top here. So if I need to kind of tilt the camera down or anything like that, then it's nice and easy. So I'm just going to flip the actual whole light around so you can check out and see what the features are at the back. So this is what everything looks like from the back. We've got two little knobs here. So this is color temperature and this is also a dimmer. So if you wanted to make the color more cool or warm, you can adjust it with that little knob. And then for if you wanted to brighten it, obviously dim it, you use that knob. So this is what the kind of back looks like. I'm going to plug it in now so you guys can see what it looked like before and after. So this would kind of be my normal setup. I have two soft boxes on either side of me here. They are a little bit further apart. Normally I have them like right on either sides of my camera, but today, because the ring light takes up so much more space, they're a little bit further out. So I'm going to turn this on and we can have a look at it together. So I've turned the nozzle all the way to the coolest temperature setting. I like a nice white color, and sometimes if things are too yellow base or orange base and warm light, it can kind of make you look really orange and kind of skew the light. So I like a nice white light, which will be more reminiscent of a daylight. I've got it set down onto the coolest temperature as possible, so I'm just going to turn it on. Whoa. Damn. So this, whoa, this is as bright as it can go. So I can pretty much be all the way back here. Woohoo! And that would still light up my entire face. A lot of the problem that I have is that I couldn't film closer to my backdrop or anything, or have like more room in my frame, is because my lights couldn't get this far back. But with my two softboxes there and the ring light, I could totally film all the way back here. Yes! But in my normal kind of setup, this would probably be, probably is too bright, so I'm just going to dim it down a bit. So this would be probably where I would have it. Ah, I'm so excited. It looks so good. So I'm going to turn off my two soft boxes so we can see what the ring light would look like just by itself. So I would have to turn this up. I definitely think that I need the soft box at the back. It just lights up the whole background a bit more. So I'm going to turn this back down a bit again. And that's one soft box on, and then two soft boxes on. And then this would kind of be my new setup. I have ISO on 200, my f-stop is on 5.6, and my shutter speed is 1/50. And that's kind of the setup that I've got at the moment, which, guys, I'm loving this. I think it looks so good. What do you guys think? Now, the little kit did also come with an iPhone kind of setup as well. So if you wanted to take photos using your iPhone, you could set this up as well. Now, I know that there are cheaper alternatives that you can get from like Amazon or on eBay, and I had been tossing up between purchasing those and then this one here, but I love the features that this one has. The cool and warm dimmable. So if you wanted to warm up the lighting, you can, but if you wanted that really white, crisp light, you can have it all the way up too. I love that this is dimmable because I don't want to have it on one setting and then I have to kind of, you know, move back, or, you know, it's easy just to be able to adjust the amount of brightness coming off the ring itself. I love that it had all of the mounting bits included. Most of the ones that I looked at, it would only come with the light, and then you had to purchase a stand, and you had to purchase these little fixtures, and you had to purchase the mounting for your camera. It's all included in one right there for you. The stand looks super, super sturdy. The ring light itself looks beautiful because it's gold. I mean, that shouldn't really be a factor, but it so is for me because I love that it's gold. The ring is fully enclosed by this plastic that it's got around it, and it feels really, really sturdy. A lot of the ring lights that I was looking at either had a whole exposed like fluorescent globe in it, which I could totally see myself breaking. I'm not fortunate to be in a filming setup where I can just leave my lights done and set up every single time. I have to pack them down and then reset them again. So I like that the globe is fully concealed, so if it falls over, hopefully the globe or anything in it won't smash. The LEDs as well, a lot of the ones I was looking at had like little dotted LEDs all around the ring light. Again, all exposed as well. I like that this is all enclosed. I like that it has this kind of diffuser around it as well. So yeah, it is a little bit more expensive, but having all of those features ready to go, not having to think about it, is a lifesaver. This took literally like less than 10 minutes to set up. I'm really, really happy with it. If you guys have any more questions regarding my filming setup, please let me know down below. I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. If there's heaps of questions, I might just put it into a little video for you guys, because I know when I was starting out on YouTube, I had so many questions regarding lighting, camera settings, like where should I buy equipment from that's good quality, that's going to last. So I'm more than happy to do a video on it for you, but let me know down below if that's something you would be interested in. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a big like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you're new so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.